An engineer is tasked with designing a board that meets all of the capabilities that is required by whatever project they're designing. And if they're developing a new design, then there's going to be so many one-offs that can ruin this board, completely ruin this board. The customer's job's hard enough. We don't need to make it more difficult by saying no. I'm not in the business of saying no, we're in the business of saying yes. Anybody can claim to build boards fast, anybody can claim to be the fastest. Instead of doing all that, what we want to do is simply be the best. The best at quick turn, the best at prototype and NPI, the best at that mid-volume. Advanced Assembly is the only company, period, that can truly ask, when do you want it, and deliver. We've built complex designs in as fast as 4 to 6 hours. That's the fastest PCB assembly turn time in the world. When you need it, call us.